Poor Grump. He was a prince amongst toads. You will be missed, old friend, warts and all. Goodbye, Grump, or as you would say, ribbit. Hop to that lily pad in the sky, old friend. Wait till you see Daisy's dance moves. Everyone wins in a dance-off. Next time, more petting and less stabbing. A tragic end for such a noble friend. Can I cut in? Yes? No. I'll come back later. Why kill when you can simply ask? What a shame. He could have been a mountain. How can anyone kill someone as cuddly as Krugs? Farewell, Krugs. I shall miss our long talks.